Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 25, which is data handling. Yes. So, here in this, we have learned how to tabulate the given information, how to put the data into the table, isn't it? Along with the tally marks. Yes. So, in the second topic, we are going to learn about the scaled pictograph. Okay, you already know pictograph. It is nothing but showing the information in this form of pictures, isn't it? That is pictograph. Now what do you mean by scaled pictograph? Let's learn, children. Okay, so here they have given a table with the pictures, isn't it? So answer the questions on the basis of given pictograph. Okay, so here there is a table in which you have months: January, February, March, April. And in the January month you have one apple, and in February you have four apples, in March you have three apples, and in April you have two apples, isn't it, children? But below the table it is given that one apple is equal to 10 apples. Okay, one apple is equal to 10 apples. That means in the month of January there is only one apple, which means 10 apples. That means in the month of January there are 10 apples. So in February this is 10, 10, 10, 10. That is 40. 40 apples in February, and 30 apples in March, and 20 apples in April. Isn't it, children? So this is your scaled pictograph. Actually here you should have 10 apples. Isn't it? 10 apples you have to draw. But instead they have drawn only one apple, and in the scale they have given one apple is equal to 10 apples. Okay, here they have to draw 40 apples, but drawing 40 apples becomes difficult, isn't it, children? So that's why they have taken each apples as 10 apples, and they have given in this form of pictograph, which is called as scaled pictograph. Okay, now looking at this, we have to give the answers like how many apples are sold in the month of February? 40 apples. In the month of April, 20 apples. In the month of March, 30 apples. In the month of January, 10 apples. So in that way you may ask the question, or else you might be asked like, in which month more number of apples are sold? So here you have 4 in February. In January it is only 1. That means only 10 apples. In February it is 40. March you have 30 apples. April you have only 20 apples. That is, in the month of February you have sold the apples more, isn't it? So you'll write February. Okay, in which month the apples are sold minimum? Minimum means less, maximum means more. So minimum means less number of apples, which is in January. There are only 10 apples there, so you'll write January. So looking at the pictograph you have to answer the questions. Okay, children, now in the next sum we have to draw the pictograph for the given information. And the information is Rahul has 14, Gina has 18, Rajiv has 24, and Harsh have 26 notebooks. So here they have given the information of notebooks. Like in the previous topic we have done not the same information they have given, but here we have to draw the pictograph. There we have made the table using the tally marks, isn't it, children? Here you have to draw the pictograph. So in this they have given that it should be, this data should be shown in a pictograph with the scale 2. That means each book should be equal to 2. In the previous question, each apple is equal to 10 apples. One apple is equal to 10 apples, isn't it? So there the scale is 10. But here the scale is 2. That means each notebook is equal to 2 notebooks. Okay, children? Now, so first we have to do the columns and rows, a table, isn't it, children? So we will draw the table, one column for name and one column for your pictograph. So Rahul have 14 books, isn't it? But we have to draw in the scale of 2. That means one book will be equal to 2, isn't it? So if you draw 7 notebooks, that gives us 14, isn't it? So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, so in that way you need to count and you need to draw. Or else, as here the scale is 2, you can divide this number with 2, and the quotient is the number of books you have to draw. If the scale is 5, so number of things, here notebooks it might be toys, it might be fruits, whatever it is, divide it with 5. So according to the scale given the divide the number of things with that scale, then you will get how many things you have to draw. Okay children, now here it is, next you have 18. 18 books means you have to draw how many? 9. 2 nines are 18, so 9 books you have to draw. So we will draw 9 books. Okay, next 24. Rajiv have 24 books. So 24 means 12 books you have to draw, isn't it? So 12 books, which makes 24 books. Okay, Rajiv have 24 books. Now Harsha have 26 books. Okay, so 26 means 13 you have to draw, isn't it children? So 13 books. Why 13? 2 13s are 26, isn't it? So 13 books. Why we are doing with 2? Because the given scale is 2. That's why we are doing with 2. Okay, so 13 books you will draw here. Okay children, so in this way you need to draw the pictograph for the given data and scale. Okay, according to the scale they have given, you have to draw. And also there might be some other questions like who have more books, who have less books. Okay, what will be the title of this graph? What will be the title of this graph children? This pictograph title will be the name of the pictograph. Title means the name of the pictograph will be notebooks. We are drawing the pictograph about notebooks, isn't it? So notebooks. For previous one, title will be number of apples sold. Okay, so according to the given question, we have to decide the title, that is the name of the table or graph, pictograph, or other graphs also. You have to name it and then you can do the graph. Okay, so in this way you need to do the sums children. There are few the questions are in the daily schedule. Copy it down in your classwork. Draw the pictograph and answer the questions. Okay, so this is your classwork. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 46, S2, scaled pictograph. Okay, so in the next class we will learn about scaled bar graphs. Okay, so see you in the next class children. Bye.